Hey everyone! Welcome to your Thread Faction Sewn Episode 1 bonus content! If you're looking for the actual episode, you'll find a link to that in the description box. But what we're here for now is a beginner knit sewing basics mini course. We're going to cover off what I believe to be the 5 basic knit sewing skills that should get you up and sewing with knits in no time. We're going to cover off seams, hems, bands, bindings and elastic. This clip is going to cover off bands. For all the others, check the description box. Bonus! So, bands. Knit bands are a super popular way of finishing the edges of a knit garment, primarily because you can do the entire thing on your overlocker. If you've mastered the knit seam though, knit bands on your sewing machine will be a breeze. Regrettably though, it all starts with ironing. So this step's not strictly necessary with your knit bands, but it does make it easier a bit later on. Take your band length, fold it exactly in half with the wrong sides facing, and give it a good press. Once you bind your bands, it's just a matter of some seams, and if you've watched the seams clip, you should have no problem with that. First, take your band and sew it into a loop. Trim your seam allowance. And then fold it along the line that you ironed. And you have a band. Next, you need to divide your band into 4. So, seam at one side and mark it with pins. And do the same with the opening of the leg hole, or wherever you're going to put the band. Then, match up the pins on the band with the pins in the opening. Now with it all pinned together, it's just a matter of another seam. You just need to gently stretch the band like this as you sew around, but don't stretch out the other fabric. So now you have your band sewn in. And trim the seam and then top stitch if you like. Push your seam allowance back towards the main part and then top stitch along here. I'm going to use a long triple stitch for top stitching this one. Go. Thanks for watching this Thread Faction Sewn bonus. See you next time.